Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on Quant.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about the cryptocurrency called Quant. And as you guys may know, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video.
Today is the 3rd of February, and as you know, the market today has been dropping. It's around 36.5k as of Bitcoin. And Quant right now is the only one pretty much that has been going up, and we are currently up 21% and almost 30% on the S pairing, which is really, really good. So why is this happening? So I'm going to briefly talk about why this is happening, and then we're going to do a technical analysis on this coin. So as you know, a lot of bridges currently have been hacked. So the reason Quant is currently pumping, as you know, it's a really good security, and Wormhole was a popular blockchain bridge, and it was hacked for $324 million. It was stolen, 80,000 Ethereum. Ethereum will be added over the next hours, blah blah blah. They're trying to fix it. But as we know, here we go, another cross-chain bridge bites the dust. Meanwhile, Quant Overledger is 3 years proven in national critical infrastructure connecting Corda, Hyperledger, ETH, Insia chain, and 570 bank. As we see here, they're talking about, this is from Quant themselves, talking about how the Bank of England can reap the benefits of digital currency, and they talk about the implementing of CBDCs, which is their security, which is a very interesting read here, but I'm not going to read all of this. But this is very interesting here. So this is why we need Quant. Quant is not going anywhere soon. It is a great enterprise security. As we know, this is what happened with Wormhole. They got majorly hacked and it did not end well there. 80,000 Ethereum stolen. 80,000. Just if they had Quant, they implemented CBDCs, they would have been fine. But this is what happens. And as we see, this is the outcome of what's going on with Quant. It is literally pretty much the only one that's up right now, especially 20% plus. Everything else is dipping. As you see, Bitcoin is down almost 4%, and Quant is up 23.4%. So it really is doing very well. It is extremely outperforming the market right now. And yeah, let's get straight into technical analysis.
Okay, so as you can see from this screen on a daily time frame, we can see that as the time has been going along, Quant has been dropping like crazy. And I do think that if we do look at the different exchanges, we can probably find out a longer term period. So as you can see here, if you go to the weekly, you'll be able to see that we've had that massive drop ever since $438, and we are now at $127. And this has been a quite long-term project, as you guys may know. Quant has been here for quite some time. If you guys check out what's been happening, it has been here since 2018. So it has been a very long-term cryptocurrency. But as of right now, we do understand that this cryptocurrency has been dropping like crazy, and especially with Bitcoin's performance, it doesn't spark any new insight as well. So Bitcoin's performance has been dropping, therefore Quant has also been dropping. And it's just been a massive downward trend, as you can see here. But as you can see, we have formed a nice bullish, breakout potentially. But I do think this is going to be a fake breakout that a lot of people will get trapped in, and it will end up causing potentially, in my opinion, ended up seeing a potential drop where Quant price can just fluctuate here and just have like a nice drop all the way lower, which in my opinion is most likely going to be happening. And potentially we may come back down to around $50 if that does happen. But as you can see, the $100 um, price did not really last very long. We did end up wicking straight below there. We've closed even below there, and ever since then we've actually had that nice relief pump. But I do think this is going to be a fake pump before we actually do inevitably drop. So keep that in mind, guys, and make sure you take some profits in if you haven't already. As you can see here, this is now going to be seen as a bull flag to many big people and many people that are unknown. In other words, degens, if you might call them like that. So as you can see, this bull flag right here is most likely going to be something that a lot of people will be tricked in, and then we might see that fake breakout and inevitably ended up seeing that massive drop even lower, which I do think could take place. And I think $20 is an exaggeration from this market. I'm just targeting $50. So keep that in mind, and let's see what actually does take place within the next couple of days, because that's what's most likely looking like going to be happening. Because as you can see, this fake breakout and then a potential drop lower. So yeah, I want to see what happens in this couple of days, and we will try to keep you guys updated in our future videos on Quant. So yeah, that's what we can see on daily. The hourly, as you can see, it is kind of playing out to how we want it to be playing out. I would say we are going to be starting to drop even lower because we saw that fake breakout, and it does look like it is not going to be holding for quite some time. So yeah, stay tuned, and we will be seeing how this plays out. I'm just going to remove this line because it's looking like it's not going to happen like that. So as you can see, yeah, this is looking like it is going to be dropping now because all of this trend line. If I just show you guys where that trend line is, this trend line right here, I didn't want to see it ended up becoming broken and provide counterparty liquidity for it to drop even lower. So yeah, that's what we can expect and potentially see $60 occur the next couple of weeks, in my opinion. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see what actually happens.
So that is it for this video. If you have enjoyed and you feel that you've taken value from watching this video, then please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. We're now doing daily uploads. So yeah, thank you very much and have a lovely rest of your day.